Welcome, today in front of me TCL Tab channel, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application, and after that let's just tap here on this icon. And now we can see here that we are logged in into Gmail application in Gmail account. So if you want to log out from Gmail application from Gmail account, we should log out from Google account on our device. To do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device. And after that, we just open the Google account settings, and to log out from Google account here, just click once on this account and click to remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account. And in Google account settings, we have now just logged in accounts, and let's just go back to the application, and we can see that we'll log out also from Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.